Hey, did you guys know that the flu virus, several of them can actually live on hard surfaces for 24 hours, and that sometimes disinfectants take about 10 minutes to kill everything? Some can't even be killed. So if you think you can just swipe your keyboard and start typing and not get sick, think again. Joining me now is Dr. Elizabeth Meade, Chief of Pediatrics at Swedish. Let's talk about this specific virus or this flu season.
Yeah.
Why is it so dangerous this year?
Yeah, you know, each year different viruses and different strains come about and cause infection, and so this just happens to be a year where there's one strain in particular that can be really dangerous.
And which strain is that, and why is it so ineffective?
It's the H3N2 strain, and it's one of those strains that mutates very quickly, more quickly than most strains, and so it can be really hard to capture with the vaccine.
That's right. That's crazy to me.
It is, yeah.
And with kids, it's just been, we've had 30 children die, especially deadly for children.
Right.
Why is it that this is happening?
Well, you know, again, kids are really susceptible to getting severe infection from flu, just like older people, pregnant women, or anybody with a chronic health condition. So they can go downhill very quickly.
What are some of the biggest symptoms parents should look out for, like the big warning signs?
So often flu will have fever, malaise, just not feeling well, body aches, maybe some coughs or sniffles. But in kids in particular, what we want to watch for is that they're staying hydrated. So if they seem like they can't drink fluid or they're dehydrated, absolutely take them in. And then also if they're just not interacting with you like normal, if they seem really out of it, if they're super irritable and you can't calm them down, those are all signs that there may be something more serious happening.
Okay, back to the disinfecting.
Yeah.
You know, you told me that some things cannot even be killed by it. So what is the best way to make sure you're keeping the virus away from you?
So for things you can wash with water, that's the best. So hot soapy water for at least 20 seconds, that's the best way to kill germs. Obviously for some things you can't do that, right? And so these can be helpful for that.
But you do have to wait like a couple minutes.
Wait a couple minutes, let it dry all the way, don't start typing right away, and clean every really nook and cranny that you can.
Just get in there, like with a Q-tip. Hey, and isn't there like a special way to wash your hands?
Yeah, so we want to wash at least 20 seconds. So for kids, you can tell them to sing happy birthday twice.
Okay.
That's helpful. And then you want to really make sure that you're getting underneath your fingernails in all the nooks and crannies.
So like this?
If you have dirt or long fingernails, yeah, really scrub with that soap so you get underneath. That's really a place where things can hide. If you ever notice on TV when surgeons are scrubbing, they always scrub under the nails.
Oh, I didn't know.
And it's because it's a place that bacteria can really live.
Who knew?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all that information.
You're welcome.
I hope it helps some people out there. And there is more information on, you said cdc.gov.
cdc.gov and also healthychildren.org.
There you go. All right, guys, back to you.
Wow. Yeah, you learn something new every day. 10 minutes to kill the germs because of with the spray and the wipe.
Yeah.
Wow, didn't realize that.
Good reminder. Thanks, Amity.